Welcome dear students to another class of IB. Today we are going to talk about list operations. In previous class we have seen about the how to create an access list. Now today we will see list operations. So this data type list allows manipulation of its content through various operations. So first operation is concatenation. As the name suggests, concatenation means we can add two elements of one list to another list with the help of concatenate. Concatenation, we are adding two lists together. Okay, so see here we are having a list 1. This is a list 1. In this list we are having elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That these are the five elements that are five odd integers. Okay, and we are having another list, that is list 2, that is having 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That means we are having first five even integers in list 2. Now to get elements of list 1 followed by list 2, we can use concatenate. This plus operation is known as concatenation here. Okay, this is not just doing the arithmetic addition, it is just adding the list 1 and list 2 elements together. Okay, so list 1 elements followed by list 2, that is the work of concatenate here. So see, these are the elements of list 1, and these remaining elements, these are the elements of list 2. So if you are writing like this, list 1 plus list 2, that means we are concatenating list 2 in list 1. Okay, so this is the result you will get when you will do this operation, list 1 plus list 2. Now we are having another list, that is list 3, that is having red, green, blue color. These are the primary colors. Okay, and we are having another list, that is list 4, that is having cyan, magenta, yellow and black color. Okay, so if you are writing list 3 plus list 4, then you will get red, green, blue. This is the list 3 elements, and that are followed by list 4 element, that is cyan, magenta, yellow, black. We can do this in a practical way also. So I am showing you that demonstration. We are having list 1, so you can write the list 1. In place of list 1 you can directly write L1. Okay, N1 is equal to, we are writing the elements. So here I am writing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is my first list, that is having a list of integers. Okay, that is followed by the another list, that is list 2. So I am having here L2. L2, it is also having elements of first even integer. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, so these are my two list. So if I will write L1 plus means concatenate L2 and then press enter, so this is my elements of this list. And I can write like this also, L3 is equal to L1 plus L2. Okay, and then enter, and now here I am printing L3. Okay, L3. Now this is also same. See, these both the lists are, this list and this list are same. Like this we can do. Okay, and we can check this operation also, list 3 and list 4. So I'm just copy and pasting the same thing, Control C, and here I'm pasting here, Control V. Similarly I am having this list also, so I'm just copy that list and pasting it to another list. Okay, like this, or you can just put it backspace, then it will come in the same line. So we are having these list 3 and list 4, and we are applying concatenate operation. Okay, so I am just writing this, Control C. You can write fully or you can just use the shortcut like this also. Okay, keep doing this and just press enter. So you can see here, this is the output of this particular concatenation operations. Okay, so this is the same as this. Okay, see this and this, so these are the same results. You can also try this thing and the previous one. Okay, so see here, the point to be noted here is there is no change in the original list. Okay, that is list 1, 2, 3 and list 4 remain the same after concatenation operation. If we want to use the result of two concatenated lists, we should use an assignment operator. That means, see here, this list, this L2 remains same, this L1 remains same. If we will write like this, okay, there is no change in the original, this is the result of this concatenation. But if you want to assign it into another list, so L3 here, so this L3 is the combination of this. So like this you can store the value. So see here, if we want to use the result of two concatenated lists, we should use an assignment operator. Okay, so see here we are using assignment operator. Join list 2 at the end of list. Okay, so new list, this is a new list, so here I have given it a name L3. It is also a list. Okay, and you can check the data type of L3. Okay, so I can check it by type method and L3. So see, this is a list type. Okay, so this is a new list, or you can give it any name. So here it is new list L1 plus L3. New list, the concatenated operator plus required, the operation should be listed type only. Okay, so it is list type because it is holding the addition or concatenation of two lists. If we try to concatenate a list with an element of some other data type, then we will get a type error. That means, like this list, list 3 is having this type of variables, red, green, blue. These are strings, and this is having integers. So let's try to do this thing. List 3, list 5, we can give it a name. List 5 is equal to list 3 plus L1. These are different types of data type holding list. So it will if I will print this, print list 5, I can do this. So these are concatenation of this list with this list. Okay, so see here, if we try to concatenate a list with an element of some other data type, then you will find a type error. Let's see how it is showing that thing. See this 1, 2, 3, it is a list and this is a string. So list and string, these are different data types, then it will give us a type error. So here it is, both are lists, so it will not give error. But if we are taking a string variable somewhere like this ABC, and then we want to concatenate, then it will give us an error. Oh, sorry, just put double quotes, control C. Here it is syntax error, so it will show syntax error. Okay, this. And now if I want to concatenate list 3 plus str, then it will show me the type error. So see, this is the type error. Here it is okay because these are two different types of list. This is also list, this is also list, so it will not give an error. Elements can be different. Okay, so this is about this data types. Okay, next operation is repetition. Okay, so see, this is a repetition step. In repetition means if you want the same element to be repeated 2 times, 3 times, so we can use this asterisk symbol, that is a star. Okay, so Python allow us to replicate the content of a list using repetition operator depicted by this. So this is a list. If we want the same element to be repeated 4 times, then we will use this multiplication symbol or asterisk symbol. Okay, see here, I am having a L5, and in that I am having an element, my name. Okay, anything you can write as an element. So if I want to repeat this thing, so I can write like this, L5 into 5 times. Okay, so see, Nidhi, Nidhi, Nidhi is repeated 5 times. So like this you can also repeat the same elements the number of times you want to repeat. Next operation is membership. Okay, so see here, membership means the particular element is present in the list or not. We can check it with in operator. Okay, so see here the membership operator in checks if the element is present in the list and returns true if it is present, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so see here we are having